Another powerful feature of Flotion's synced menu is the forecasting tab in the editor. So to access the forecasting models, you can hit this orange toggle list to open up and see a list of the various calculators and models that are pre-built and added into the Flotion version. Now these will update over time, and if you have access to the forecasting widget inside the Landmark Labs library, you can always update this forecasting widget with the latest copy, and you'll get all of the new models inside of that without messing up your existing components and databases. So let's say I'm on this new page, or let's say that I was trying to plan my pricing strategy for a new project. If I wanted to quickly reference a calculator and help me work through that problem inside of Notion, now inside of Flotion I can quickly add one of these pre-built causal models by hitting the relevant plus icon for the model that I want. Once again, drag and drop into the relevant space, and now I have a copy of this pre-built pricing model from causal. I can filter and edit the values as needed, and if I land on a takeaway price, I can always just make a note of that and say the takeaway price for this particular strategy session might be $42. I want to keep track, I want to keep a note of this value, since anytime I refresh the page with a causal model on it, it's going to refresh all of the values that I've inputted. And so I just want to make a quick note once I'm done calculating and playing with this model. I just want to keep a quick note of what it was that was discovered, and I can always delete this model and clear up this page as needed. In the forecasting menu, you'll see there are several pre-built calculators and models that you can use across and throughout your flows and workspaces. Once you're done with the calculation of the model itself, you can always delete it without losing any of the important data that was gathered